Hey everyone, in today's video, we're diving into the top performing niches of CJ Dropshipping in 2025. First is the pet product, why it's hot. Pet pending continues to grow, especially in US and Europe. The winning products are interactive pet toys, portable water bottles, pet grooming tools, and pet car seats and carrier. CJ tip, look for products stocked in US warehouses for faster shipping to pet-loving customer. Second niche is eco-friendly product. Why it's hot. Sustainability is now purchasing priority for many customers. The winning products are reusable kitchen wraps and bags, like bamboo toothbrushes, zero waste bathroom items, and refillable trouble bottles. Third is the home and fitness wellness. The wellness boom is still going strong. The winning products are resistance bands, portable message guns, acupuncture mats, and yoga gear. The fourth is home and kitchen gadgets. TikTok and YouTube continue to make simple gadgets go viral. The winning products are multifunction peelers, sink organizers, air fryer accessories, and under cabinet lights. The fifth is baby and parenting essentials. Parents want safe, functional, and cute product for their kids. The winning products here are silicone bibs and plates, diaper bag organizers, portable water warmers, and Montessori learning toys. Sixth is the tech accessories and gadgets. Affordable tech products are evergreen winners. Winner products are wireless earbuds, adjustable phone holders, RGB lights, and laptop stands. If a product is trending on TikTok, Amazon, or Etsy, CJ can source it for you, even if it's not their catalog yet. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.